Meaning of illumine.
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 Illumine. The word illumine is a verb that means to light up or brighten, both literally and figuratively. When used in a literal sense, it refers to the act of lighting up a space or object, such as a room or a book. Figuratively, it can refer to the act of enlightening or making something clear or understandable, like when a teacher explains a difficult concept to their students. Using illumine creates a sense of brightness, clarity, and understanding, which can lead to a greater sense of knowledge and awareness.